In this video, I am going to demonstrate letter-sound correspondence of the alphabet. I'll also be including digraphs. Digraphs are two letters that go together to make one sound. Short A says A. Long A says A. B says B. C says K. D says D. Short E says E. Long E says E. F says F. G says G. H says H. Short I says I. Long I says I. J says J. K says K. L says L. M says M. N says N. Short O says Ah. Long O says O. P says P. QU says Qu. R says R. S says S. T says T. Short U says Long U says U and U. V says V. W says W. X says X. Y says Y. Z says Z. CH says Ch. SH says Sh. Voice TH says V, and your vocal cords should vibrate. Unvoiced TH says F, and your vocal cords do not vibrate. WH says